as you can tell, we have another rabid crowd on hand. What? Oh, no! The fans are going crazy!
I have no idea!
It's Chris Sabin and Alex Shelley! Two of Detroit's own have come home!
Ladies and gentlemen, Alex Shelley and Chris Sabin, Motor City Machine Guns!
They are on their feet.
How about this, Paul?
I think business just picked up quite a bit in the tag team division. Holy smokes, that's a surprise.
They are standing everywhere. A shocker to begin this telecast of Collision on a Thursday night. Fans don't want to sit down.
Did you really think we wouldn't be here? Because let me tell you, there is no place we would rather be than right here in the greatest city in the history of modern civilization. The city that we have loved and represented for 20 years. Because this right here is where the best wrestle.
What up, doe? Detroit, in more ways than one, we are home. And it is our immense pleasure to finally say the Motor City Machine Guns are all elite.
What an incredible way, I mean stunning way, to begin this telecast here tonight. Take a look at the giant screens. The Motor City Machine Guns are all elite.
Paul, you're 100% right about business picking up with the Young Bucks challenging for the world title at Wembley Stadium. You've got to think The Motor City Machine Guns are waiting in the wings.
Oh, the entire dynamic just shifted. All tag teams just got put on notice for the Motor City Machine Guns being in town in All Elite. Super excited.